Poster, I did a DIY. So I had this old clock. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also subscribe to my channel. Yes, with that said, this is my last Shein haul, guys. We know that Shein is banned in India, and I actually lost complete hope of receiving these products. If you remember my previous Shein haul video, I did mention that they have split the packages and I was in constant touch with the Shein team. And yeah, I can't thank enough to them that they were able to deliver my product in spite of COVID, ban and all that jazz. But yes, I have received all my stuff and I'm very happy to Shein India. So I have picked a few outfits for myself and few decoration pieces, not like too many things, and few accessories. So I would like to share it with you all. So let's just get started with the video. So the first thing what you see is this top. This is a beautiful peplum top which I'm wearing right now, and I love the detailing here. This is like a kind of nice party wear, and it's a peplum top which you will see a close-up of it. It's a nice stretchy material, and also keeping that in mind that I'm losing weight, so I picked up everything in a smaller size. So you may see these dresses are a bit tight on me. Don't worry, I'm in a procedure of losing weight and I'm definitely gonna lose weight and fit into these clothes. I didn't want to go through the hassle of altering the dresses and all that, so I decided to go for a smaller sizes. So this one is XL, which I have picked up, and the next top which I have is and also this accessories. I am sorry, I'm running right now because my battery is dying and I need to quickly finish this haul video. That's why I'm just rushing through, so never mind. So the next thing which I got is this earring, which is a beautiful statement piece earring, and also I got another earring for my daughter. It is a set of 3 earrings which I'm going to show you in a close-up. It has got flower, butterfly and a honeybee. So these are like a small hoops kind of a thingy, which is this one I got, I would say. And moving on, this time I did not particularly went for black. You know that I love black and my love for black will never die. This time I went for different colors, which includes red as well. So I picked up this another red color top, which is a kind of a long top. It is still a peplum top, but it has got long sleeves and little bit of detailing on the shoulder like this. And yeah, this you can pair it with a skirt, or you can even try with jeans. As I mentioned, I got different colors. So I got this pink color, kind of peachy pink color complete dress set. I am a person, I would never try this color because I cannot handle light colors, guys, but this time I wanted to try. So this is a set basically, guys. It comes with a pencil skirt. This is how it looks. It comes with a pencil skirt, so you can you can try in 2 ways. Like you can wear just skirt separately with some other top, or with this together, or however you want to style them. So this is how it looks and I really like it. It has got this nice lace detailing on the sleeves. Moving on, I picked up a dress for my daughter, and they have this extra small size, so that fits for my daughter very well. This is how it looks. She's pretty tall, guys, so I think this will fit her. This was, again, it was in a deal. This was just for 350 rupees. And then I got this top for her, which is again a knitted top, crop top for her. And to pair it with this, I also got a skirt. I don't know where is the skirt right now, but I will include the picture of the skirt what I ordered. It's a nice stretchy material, and yeah, again extra small size. Then in the same category of knitted, I got something for myself. This I have already worn because I received this product long back, and this is how this top looks like. It has got nice detailing in the front, if you can see, like thread going on. It's a really nice pretty top, and to pair it with this, I bought a skirt as well. This is what the skirt looks like. As I said, I have already worn this. This is the last top which I picked up. I love this top. This is beautiful. It is a sheer kind of a top, but look at the prints, guys. This is so beautiful. I love this, and I don't know why this time I got all full sleeves except this one. I mean, I am not a person who would prefer wearing full sleeves most of the time, but accidentally I got full sleeves top. Any which ways I can style them up however I want to. So these are the things in the category of clothes, and I also got few stuff like to decor. I've already made DIY out of it, and I'm going to show you quickly what all I picked up and how it was original and now what I have changed and what it looks right now. Let me just take you through. So I did this DIY, and these are the barbecue stick. I made it out of it and it looks pretty cool. And then I got this lamp from Shein, and these were also on discounted price. And then I got this curtain, kind of a curtain lights from Shein. It goes way through down here, it goes down, and they were also pretty reasonable. And then I got this poster. I did a DIY, so I had this old clock, so yeah, I did this DIY again. So there is another one, the similar one which you saw at the back, so I got this one as well. The leaves also, it came in a bundle, so I cut it off and I made this DIY. And then I got this this thing poster, and I had this old frame, so I just hung it in it. It looks really pretty, and this is how it looks. I think it looks really nice on this wall. Yeah, I got this one. With that said, I complete this haul video, and also I found another alternative of Shein where I could see the similar kind of dresses available on the website. I have already placed order for it, so don't you worry, stay tuned for the next video. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, all that drill. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.